This is David Talbot. I'm CTO of WorkMovr, and let me talk to you about Square payments. Our primary credit card processor for WorkMovr is Stripe, and Caspio also prefers Stripe, but we have to be a little bit careful because Stripe has quite a large list of prohibited and restricted businesses, so including, for instance, telemedicine. So we do offer Square as an alternative. Very, very similar. Okay, very, very similar. So let's go through an example here. So we have sort of a sign-up sheet, and again, what we do here is we have this as an HTML page rather than a Caspio data page for a couple of reasons. Caspio is a little bit sometimes incompatible on data pages depending on your iPhone setting and with iPhone. And so we do an HTML page, no problem with that. And then we use APIs to update because we need to update more than one table with the submit. You have to update, create a member, create a task, and also update the credit card information. So we come down here, put in the credit card, and we go direct to the Square APIs. Okay, and so that gives us immediate feedback here on the fact that the payment was successful. So, and if it wasn't successful, come back here and then you give an error message and you could correct what was wrong. And so having done the payment here, the payment then comes up on the payments report. So we see here, the same, I put in here $1.22 and it came out as $1.22. It captures the last four of the credit card, but remember, we don't keep the credit card number in Caspio, but we do keep the Square or Stripe token in the member or element record. Okay, and so we can, because we need this for subscriptions, so that we can say your subscription is with your credit card ending in 3674. Do you want to change your credit card? Okay, and also if you have another charge that comes later, we can remember the credit card token and say, do you want to use the credit card ending in 3674? But we don't store anything else about the credit card number in Caspio. And then here we have, it comes through here to the Square here, $1.22. And so it's useful to have Square as a backup for Stripe. We also have subprime credit cards, Pineapple Pay, USA ePay, for those folks in sort of like collection agencies that prefer to have less than prime examples of credit cards. In fact, some of them manage to use the prepaid credit cards like you can get in CVS Pharmacy, for instance. So primarily Stripe, Square, a good alternative if you're not accepted by Stripe, and we have the subprimes as well if necessary. Okay, thank you.